Now, if you're wondering how to adjust the mowing height on your mower, well, all the models I've seen usually have a mechanism for adjustment right by the wheels. And you can see the different notches on this setting. This particular model, I simply squeeze this lever right here and push down. All you need to do is apply a little bit of pressure, and there I've got it down to a low setting. Well, up here in the north, what we call cool season grasses in the middle of the summer like this, I like to mow a little bit higher, so I'm going to bring it back right there. A good rule of thumb, in the summertime, leave the grass plants a little higher because they actually shade each other and conserve moisture that way. In the springtime and the fall, you can go lower. And in Florida, where it's warm and you have those warm season grasses that like to be cut short, like Bermuda, for example, you can mow low. Now, I want to show you something else about this mower. It's called a mulching mower. Now, there are side discharge models that blow grass out the side, and you probably have seen there's no grass coming out the sides here. And I'm sure you've seen bagger models where there might be a bag right here collecting all those clippings. Well, a mulcher mower actually drops the clippings back onto the lawn, and it's actually the safest kind of mower you can buy for that reason. Side discharge mowers can throw rocks and sticks and actually injure people or break car windows. Well, when everything's dropping below the mower deck, that's safety, but that's actually not why mulching mowers exist. Let me show you something about the blade. But first of all, I'm going to unplug the mower so there's no chance of it starting up and cutting off my fingers. If you have a gas-powered model, you want to unhook the spark plug before you do this. Now I'm going to show you the blade under here. And you can see the blade has a curve to it. So it's actually mowing the grass on two heights, one lower, one higher. And the reason that it does that is it wants to dice up these grass clippings. And let me gather up a few here. You can see them. See how that way no one clipping is very tall at all. And by cutting them twice like that, it actually allows them to mulch back down and break back down. All over the place here you can see different kinds of grass clippings, but you can't really see them very well because the mulching mower has cut them up. You want to leave those clippings right on the lawn. Now, if you remember what I talked about grass clippings in an earlier segment, they'll return 2 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet if you leave them on the lawn over the course of a year. That's a lot of money savings. It's good health for your lawn. It's also good for the environment. I've shown you a lot of good points about my electric lawnmower, how it saves you money, how it's environmentally friendly. I don't smell like gas when I'm done mowing the lawn, but my favorite point of all is this. Starting it is just so easy with a flick of a switch. And as long as you've paid your electric bill, your mower is going to start every time. You know, remember I promised you the 3 environmentally friendly options? We had the reel mower and the electric mower. Well, do you ever wonder how those French peasants mowed down lawns back in the 17th century when lawns became popular? They had something known as a scythe, which is basically a curved stick with a nice long grass blade honed very, very sharp. And if you've got the tall field like this that even the rotary mower doesn't want to cut through, well, getting reacquainted with a scythe is a great way to spend the afternoon.